you said you wanted to discuss something with me.
Oye,
Okay, I'm listening.
why exactly did you say you like this girl?
Is that one? Oh. Well, personally, I don't like what I hate. So if I see what I like, I just go for it. Let's start with the smile. You see her smile. When she smiles like this, it's as if they're just pouring cold water on my body. Like it's just doing me. It's just doing me. I'm serious. Then you see her stature. You know me, I like things tangible. Like I want to be able to hug somebody and know I'm hugging somebody. You understand? So the tangibility, the shape, the structure, the height. Then you now see that skin texture. Oh.
Oye.
What?
Oye.
Yes.
You don't even know if all of these things that you love about her is packaging. Have you seen her when she wakes up in the morning? Have you?
Packaging or no packaging? I already told you, I don't like what I hate. And since I've seen what I like, what's my own with packaging?
So you don't care if the hips is packaged hips?
Well, something has to kill a
If
man,
everything
Jare.
is packaged.
Something has to kill a man. I like what I'm seeing. Me, I love it. Oh. Then can you imagine that she's beautiful? Then we'll now marry. Our children will now be beautiful. Then you know, I just want to be able to show her off in public. And you know the tangibility, knowing that I'm coming home, I'm coming to meet something. That hug, it's just going to see everything for me is just Jesus Lord. That is the perfect fit. That's what I'm talking about.
Oye, let me ask you a question.
Okay.
Does look really matter in picking a spouse? Does it?
Well,
Good day, everybody. How was your day been and how's your week been? So, I want to start up with this new episode with the foundations we normally lay, particularly now for singles. Number one is every issue has a background. You need to understand there's a background to every issue. If you don't understand that background, you cannot address that issue effectively. Number two, people have a reason why they do what they do. Everybody is a product of nature and nurture. Nature is the way we are, nurture is the way we are brought up. What got us there is a nurture. The process we got us there, how we are brought up, all the things we have done that had become an habit, and the perspective we have to life, our world view, our people view matters a great deal. Then finally, there's a foundation for every relation. That's the foundation of every relationship. Is important. If you don't get the foundations right, you can't build on what the foundation that is faulty. So those are three things that are important in as you want to lay as a foundation here.
Okay, the story we have here is the story of a discussion between Oye and Dapo, and we're trying to talk about the statistics that is attracting. They want it this particular way.
And it can only come from men. You know, men can only be the ones that have that, because men are moved by sight. Women can be moved by words and touch, but men are moved by sight. So let's lay the foundation for it. So the foundation is, you can have this because that's a male nature. A male nature is we are moved by sight. Because we are moved by sight, we look at things and we make conclusions, particularly. So when Adam saw Eve in the Bible, in Genesis chapter 2, the Bible said immediately Adam saw Eve, Adam said, Isha, this is not the bone of my bone and the flesh of my flesh. So he moved from a quiet disposition to just exclaiming when he saw Eve. I'm like, wow, look at the babe, you know. In present day language, description of that event, it would have been Adam saying, wow, see babe, you know. That would have been the expression. So if that's our nature, the nature of a man, we are moved by what we see, we gravitate towards, and we like and we talk about it. Secondly, it can be a fantasy for different reasons. Fantasy because of maybe the films you have seen, what people have told you, what your brothers have said, what the environment have said, what you've seen on television. You just look at it and you see, wow, this is the whole things that are, that's what this is what is desirable for you. Then it also can be a lust. It can be an attraction, what you just naturally just like. Now, so let us come there and just quickly just put it together, and let me say that, is it wrong for physical to be important in attraction generally? No. Why? Because attraction is a major thing in a relationship. Attraction are those things that keep us together over a period of time. So is it wrong? No. We are attracted, we are all individually attracted to particular things. There are just some things that just naturally attract each and every person. So I tell people that everybody has a poison, that something that just attracts you.
Okay, so putting the balance to attraction, there are different levels of attraction. So you don't just base on physical alone. That you now get to a relationship and you're acting the lady. When we get to public, don't talk. So you must be attracted spiritually, you must be attracted solically, you must be able to reason the same way intellectually and have a good discussion. And the physical attraction too is amazingly okay.
So, look up to put it what question I was asked. So number one, attraction is beyond physical. There are 3 levels of attraction, like she has said. Physical attraction, there's solical attraction, attraction to your soul. Physical attraction is attracted to what you see, you know. Then secondly, attracted to your soul. Your soul is your will, your mind, or your emotion. So attracted to the way the person thinks, the way the person imagines, the person's emotional stability, emotional state, you know. That's also there. Then spiritual attraction. You have same values? Do you believe in the same things? Is also very, very important. That's number one. But number 2 is, I've also discovered attraction also it changes over a period of time. Physical attraction takes over a period of time. So you marry somebody, that you married slim, after 2-3 children, has weight, and is looking 2-3 times the size. So also, if physical attraction is the only thing you are looking at for an attraction, then also over a period of time, you will lose attraction to that person because the person will have changed. The person will have become 2-3 times the person's former size, and it will look like, oh, I'm not attracted to you again because you have changed. So attraction is important because it's one of the things that brings us together, but attraction should not be the only thing that you're looking at. You must also look at other things, because physical attraction alone changes over a period of time.
Then let me now say, in terms of attraction, once you're in a relationship with somebody and those are the things that are attracting you, let the person know, so that the person all through life will be able to work on it. It's something you have to do.